Guys, this is Everything Minecraft Guy back again here, and this right now as you're watching this video, right now at the time this video was filmed, there is less than 45 seconds to 2014 as this video is being filmed. I'm sorry for the of speech, but I'm just too excited, and I'll be filming the fireworks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Happy 2014! Holy shit! This is all redstone controlled. All the fireworks shoot out automatically by dispensers, random dispensers, or dispensers with random fireworks inside random firework balls. As redstone used to, there's lapis lazuli, iron, butter, and diamond. Lapis lazuli, redstone, emerald, and all the dyes in Minecraft used to color the fireworks. Right now, as this video is being filmed, it is officially 2014! Whoa! But however, I need 9001 Minecraft TNT explosions, all 2 seconds apart, to satisfy me. Whoa. Right now, I think you can hear the sparks or the debris showering upon us. And some of the dispensers has been empty, so those will be turned off. A second round of dispensers shall be turned on. Right now, dispensers are rapid firing random flares. Oh, that's bright! Now all our drinking water shall be dirty, and new water has a hell of a job to do in clearing out all the firework debris. And the filtration plant has to do 9001 times the normal work due to all this fireworks and haze caused by the fireworks. Spencers set up are firing at once.
Redstone!
All by the work of crafting, redstone, and dispensers. Dispensers fired simultaneously and are still firing simultaneously. All dispensers being fired at that one redstone tick. Are big balls, big firework stars, and many gunpowder, and many bullets, and many TNT was used to craft all this.
Happy New Year!
We need 9,001 more TNT to be satisfied!
I'm not having it. I need 9,001 more TNT to be detonated simultaneously in the sky, together with 9,001 decibels of pure explosions happening for 9,001 years to be satisfied. Haha, that would be insane. Now for the haze. And now in my...
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Help this, no!
Piece of redneck gonna find a piece of on me. Now all I have to do is to sound my siren off at maximum volume. And then I'll be satisfied. So here will be the fireworks.
Happy New Year to everyone, welcome. No more already, okay?
Happy New
Year.
Happy New Year. Shake hand. Happy New Year แล้ว
Happy New Year. I'm not hugging.
What do you mean not hugging? Yeah, huh? Play this,
And I think I shall get my dates wrong when I write it because 2013 has changed into 2014 so quickly that I can't register it in my Anyway, only some stuff left to be satisfied. 1. 9001 TNT exploding in the sky, along with 9001 lapis lazuli crafted fireworks exploding in the sky all at the same time. 2. 9001 TNT to be detonated in the center of the in the same block. Together with all those that I mentioned just now, then
Just try to remember my face, okay?
Okay. You'll be on YouTube.
Happy New Year.
You'll be on YouTube.
Oh, are you sure? Happy New Year.
Time flies on.
Time flies at like 9,001 kilometers per hour. Hey, beware, do not breath this. Happy New Year!